Welcome to MxD.
MxD stands for Manufacturing Times Digital. We are giving manufacturers the tools and the expertise to begin building every part better than the last.
We are here to forge our future and the future of the United States manufacturing ecosystem. We will be focused on cutting-edge R&D projects, everything from digital twin to the supply chain. We will also be focused on workforce efforts. And thirdly, we are proud to be the National Center for Cybersecurity and Manufacturing. We've received $1 million from the United States Department of Defense, and we're very excited to receive additional funding because we all know with the digital thread, you need to protect the information just as much as you need to carry it, develop it, measure it, and analyze it.
You take a look at where the rest of the world is investing and so forth, and it is in heavy manufacturing. And we're answering that call, and we're moving things forward.
We've actually put digital printers, additive manufacturing printers, out on ships, the aircraft carrier, put it on a submarine, and Marine Corps has taken it out.
We bring together different groups that normally can't come together here.
The big word here is cooperation and coordination and intentional pipelines and pathways.
Wherever the expertise lies in the United States, we wanted to bring those folks together to accelerate the development and the adoption of different technology areas.
We are the Digital Manufacturing Institute of the United States. And particularly if you look at our logo and you follow the red line around it, that is representing the ever-evolving digital thread.
We see incredible opportunities in a future powered by digital manufacturing, and innovative manufacturers come to us to forge that future.
3, 2, 1, MxD! Woo!